everybody, welcome back to my studio today. And yes, I'm back in the studio. I've been running back and forth between my son's house and here because his internet is just horrible. Oh my god, the dogs are not here, but look, that that sock is still there from the other day. I haven't picked it up. I have been crazy running back and forth and back and forth. And oh my god, did you see that right there? Right? Right there. Uh-huh. That's an ever moment. I completely forgot that I ordered that. It was so long ago that I ordered it. It's a custom. I don't know if I'm going to show it on my channel because of copyright issues. That's how long ago I ordered the thing, but it's gorgeous and it was a complete surprise to me. Then I have another package right here, this little Amazon package that we're going to open maybe in this video, maybe in another one. We'll see. So this is part of the look at my yarn. It's growing. Look. It's growing. I'm competing with GB Maltese, but I'm not even a fraction of where she is. So this is part of the 7-day challenge issued by Nana of Seven Crafts. This is my 6th of 7 videos. And it's been tough. This was not an easy challenge. And when it's all over, I think I'm going to do a video on my thoughts after the end of the challenge. So today I've got some friend mail. And let's get into it. And it's packaged super well. Goodness gracious. So I can see that it's yarn, so I'm trying to unbag this very carefully. So I'm not cutting the yarn. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. So this is why when I went to Hobby Lobby this morning, I kind of guessed that I had some yarn coming my way, so I did not buy any. But I'm so excited. I add to my stash. Plus, I am just all over the moon about this loom knitting and crocheting. I am just having a blast with it. Holy moly, look at this. This is Lion brand and it's a black and silver. It's called Constellation or Constellation. It's much prettier in person than it is on camera, but you don't really get the silveriness of this in here. But it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I have so much crocheting in my future, which is a good thing because as far as diamond painting goes, nothing's coming out of China. So, and you know, like I said, I'm just so thrilled about all this. Ooh, look at this. So this is, this person wanted me to get a feel for some different types of yarn. So let's just talk about the different types of yarn because that it was a question that I had been asking. So this is, it's Lion brand. It has the weight 5 ounces. So I would go look at my chart to see where this falls in. It's wool ease, thick and quick. 92 yards. And it even has like on the front, like what you could make from it. A hat, a scarf, a sweater. And then the temperatures, you know, you can wash it. That's pretty cool. So then the next one is this Stitch Studio by Nicole, Heartfelt Heritage in this olive green. I have to think about what I want to do with this. Super cute. Maybe something for my son? I don't know. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look. Oh, I'm loving it. Holy moly, that's nice. I It's a deep, deep red. I love that. So, oh, wow. As if I don't have enough of these, I have another one. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So, the the project that I started the other day on a similar loom thing only had 14 stitches, which would make your scarf about 4 inches. So I mentioned that I would probably like something larger because I like a larger. I'm a big person. I want a larger scarf. So this came my way. Let me see here. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my God, thank you. This is awesome. So awesome. Wow. Okay, so I guess we need to screw it together. I'm gonna have to read the directions, but so it comes with the hook, but I just want to count, like, well, I don't have to count. I guess it's going to tell me. So the one that I'm doing now has 14. So obviously this is each two, top and bottom, is 1 stitch. So the one I'm working on now has 14 stitches, which is, like I said, about 4 inches, maybe about that. So this is about double that. Let's see what the package says. Oh, 48 pegs. So does that mean it's 24 stitches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so 24 stitches, which is larger than what I was doing. So, and it has some instructions on the back, but I have a nice pattern, and oh my God, I'm so excited. I just love this stuff. Oh, wow. Thank you so, so much to my dear friend who keeps giving me stuff out of her stash. Keep it coming. I just love it. And I'm actually going to take the 4-inch one back to my son's house and work on it tonight. Just for something different to do. So cool. So absolutely cool. So guys, this was a short one. Just wanted to show you, I'm gonna be the loom knitting queen. I love it. All right, take care. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for coming on this journey with me.